The vocabulary word we are exploring now is misfire. Misfire. Have you ever tried to tell a joke, but no one laughed? Or launched a plan that didn't go as expected? That's a misfire, a failed attempt. Whether it's a weapon or an idea, when something doesn't work as planned, it misfires. Let's explore this word, check a few examples, and hear a story where a misfire brought an unexpected result. Meaning of misfire. Misfire means to fail to work or have the intended effect, especially at a crucial moment. Examples: the old gun misfired during training. His joke misfired and offended people instead. Their marketing campaign completely misfired. Short story. Ritu prepared a grand surprise party for her best friend. But her friend walked in early, spoiling the surprise. The decorations weren't ready, and guests hadn't arrived. It was a total misfire. Yet, they ended up sitting on the floor, laughing and eating early cake. The surprise misfired, but the fun? That hit perfectly.